Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Here we are going to see the topic about Navy Basis Classifier Algorithm from Unit 2, Probabilistic Reasoning, in the subject Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Objective is to understand the concept of Navy based classifier algorithm. So Navy-based algorithm is a supervised learning algorithm which is based on Bayes' theorem and used for solving classification problems. It is mainly used in text classification that include a high dimensional training dataset. Navy-based classifier is one of the simple and most effective classification algorithm which helps in building the fast machine learning models that can make quick predictions. It is probabilistic classifier, which means it predicts on the basis of the probabilistic of an object. Some popular examples of Navier-based algorithms are spam filtering, sentimental analysis, and classifying articles. Why is it called Navy Bayes? The Navy Bayes algorithm is comprised of two words, Navy and Bayes, which can be described as Navy is described as it is called Navy because it assumes that the occurrence of certain feature is independent of the occurrence of other feature, such as if the fruit is identified on the basis of color, shape, and taste, then red, spherical, and sweet fruit is recognized as an apple. Hence, each feature individually contributes to identify that it is an apple without depending on each other. Bayes. It is called Bayes because it depends on the principle of Bayes theorem. Now let us see about the Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is also known as Bayes rule or Bayes law, which is used to determine the probability of the hypothesis with superior knowledge. It depends on the conditional probability. The formula for Bayes theorem is given as P of A bar B equal to P of B bar A into P of A divided by P of B, where P of A bar B is posterior probability, that is probability of hypothesis A on the observed event B. Here, where P of A bar B is the posterior probability, that is the probability of hypothesis A on the observed event B. P of B bar A is the likelihood probability, that is probability of evidence given that the probability of hypothesis is true. P of A is the period labor probability, that is the probability of hypothesis is before observing the evidence. P of B is the marginal probability, that is probability of, it represents the probability of evidence. Working of Navy based classifier. It can be understood with the help of below example. Suppose we have a data set of weather conditions and corresponding target variable is play. So using this data set, we need to decide that whether we should play or not on the particular day according to the weather condition. To solve this problem, we need to follow the below steps. First one, convert the given dataset into the frequency table. Generate the likelihood table by finding the probabilistic of given features. Now they use Bayes theorem to calculate the posterior probability. So problem, if the weather is sunny, then the player should play or not. Solution to solve this problem, first we consider the data set. Next, apply using the look ahead table. This is the program. So applying the Bayes theorem. So P of S bar sunny equal to P of sunny bar S into P of S bar P of sunny. So P of sunny bar S equal to 0.3 and P of sunny equal to 0.35 and P of S equal to 0.71 and SOP is equal to 0.60. And P of no bar sunny equal to P of sunny bar no into P of no. Here these are the values for probabilities. So we can see from the above calculation that P of S by sunny is greater than P of no by sunny. So hence sunny day player can play the game. Advantages of Bayes classifier. Bayes is one of the fast and easy ML algorithm to predict a class of dataset. It can be used for binary as well as multi-class classifications. It performs well in multi-class predictions as compared to the other algorithms. It is the most popular choice of text classification problems. Disadvantage of Bayes classifier. Bayes assumes that all features are independent or unrelated. So it is called learn the relationship between features. Application of Bayes classifier. It is used for credit sectoring. It is used in medical and data classification. It can be used in real-time predictions because Bayes classifiers is an eager learner. It is used in text classification such as spam filtering and sentiment analysis. Thank you.